In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up both your video and your audio tracks completely for free in Capcut desktop PC. So once you have your video track and the music track or audio piece, click on the video piece and click under video and then speed. As you can see, when I drag this to the right, it increases the speed of the video. If you want to manually increase the speed, you click right here and you type in the number of the speed. In this case, I'm typing 2 or 2x. Notice how the video decreased in length. Now, if you also want to do this to the audio piece, then click on the audio piece or the music track in the timeline. Go under speed and adjust the speed as accordingly. In this case, I have 2x, and as you can see that the audio track decreased as well. Now, this is the before and this is the after. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, consider dropping a video a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and share the video.